Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking Craves. Today we are going to make a soft and spongy chocolate cake. Before getting into the video, please hit the subscribe button and subscribe to Cooking Craves. Cream half a cup plus 1 tablespoon of butter with 1 cup of sugar. Adding the sugar little by little. Add 1 egg and beat well for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add the second egg and beat for a further 2 minutes. Then finally add the third egg and beat for 5 minutes till it turns creamy. Then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1/8 of a teaspoon of instant coffee. Take 2/3 cup plus 1 tablespoon of flour, 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/8 of a teaspoon salt, and half a cup of cocoa powder and mix well. Add this to the egg mixture little by little. Finally, add 3 tablespoons of milk and mix well. Now the batter is very light and fluffy. Pour it into an 8x8 pan. Level it by a spatula. Tap it a few times and bake in a preheated oven at 175 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Now let it cool down completely. Then cut off the dome formed on the top and turn it upside down. Then carefully cut all around the cake to make 2 layers. To make the chocolate butter cream, take 2 tablespoons of butter at room temperature. Add 2/3 cup of powdered sugar little by little, while mixing continuously. Then add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Then finally add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 tablespoon of warm milk and give a good mix. Now put the cream over the first layer and spread evenly. Then cover it with the second layer. Soft and spongy chocolate cake is ready to enjoy now. Please like the video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to Cooking Craves. Do check out our other recipes.